Hello and welcome back to my channel. I am Renita. Let's make Choco Mocha Chocolate Fudge today. Like I always say, before we begin, if you're new here and haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please consider subscribing and click the notification bell so that you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Note down or screenshot this recipe for your reference. So let's get started. You can use any leftover cake or make fresh cake of your choice. Powder this cake in a blender, or you can just mash it with your clean hands and transfer it into a clean bowl. You can see I have mixed two kinds of cake, that's vanilla and chocolate. To this, add a teaspoonful of instant coffee powder. Add some creamy Nutella, also some chocolate syrup. Try to mix all the ingredients together to form a thick dough. Combine and mix thoroughly until it's sticky enough to form a firm ball. Start rolling this yummy-licious dough into tiny balls to form delicious cake fudge. Roll all the dough and your cake fudge is ready. You can freeze this Choco Mocha Cake Fudge for some time, although it's not necessary. You can serve it with some chocolate syrup and chocolate pieces on top, or dip it in desiccated coconut. I hope you found this recipe useful and you'll try it as well. If you've tried any of my recipes, share pictures on Instagram and tag me there. Also, don't forget to follow me on all my social medias, to which links are provided in the description box below. Thanks a lot for subscribing and sharing. Thanks for watching.